in tradition and then put their beliefs over this. But Filipino people may not agree on to this because sa tao, sa Pilipino, yapat bato lang di makaon mo. Oh. Ano nga parts ng manok kung wala kinakaon?
Buli.
Uy, kaya na ko. Pero pati tiil na yan, pati isol, pati kasudlan. Do you understand what I mean now? I'm just letting you see the picture. Sa Pilipino, yung why niya patusol pastoryano. That is why many of us are sick. Now, what is the implication with this? Jews will have a strict diet, and for many religions they adopted this. That is why there are plenty of religion that there are some things that you can eat and you may not eat, and some would go to becoming vegetarian because it is prohibited to eat meat. God gave fruits, and that you should eat fruit on all of these things. But in the Bible, we have to be very clear and be very conservative in interpretation that God had allowed them to eat animals. It is not prohibited. God had allowed it, and I will tell you why. That's why you have to listen very carefully here. Because this is not something that we have to have debate upon. Ngayon na debatihan pala, ako yung gusto ko mag-healthy, dapat amo na akong kanon. Pakadto to da, tas tarontal ni sa perspective yan ni Lord. Tandaan mo ha, mas alam si Lord sa imo, takon. So na taon takon, anong ginhambal ni Lord? Do you get what I mean? So we could disagree with a lot of matters, but we have to eat healthy. Amen? Kabalo ka kung diin laban nga masakit ka kahalin sa
Kaon.
Tapos kaon, di matunawan, prayer meeting. Amen. Tapos kaon bawal,